Lenovo V15 G4 AMD Ryzen laptop. Power adapter 65W round tip, 3-pin, AC adapter. The Lenovo V15 Gen 4 AMD is a 15.6 inches laptop with a powerful AMD Ryzen 7000 series mobile processor. It provides the power to boost your productivity in the office, on campus, or at home. Processor, AMD Ryzen R57430U. Memory, 16 GB. Storage, 512 GB. Monitor support supports up to 3 independent displays, native display and 2 external monitors via HDMI and USB-C. Display. Size 15.6. Resolution FHD, 1920x1080. IPS. Brightness 300 nits. Surface, anti-glare. Aspect ratio 16:9. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Camera HD 720p, with privacy shutter, fixed focus. Keyboard. 6-row, spill-resistant, multimedia FN keys, SMB service hotkey, numeric keypad. Keyboard, non-backlight. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad. No fingerprint reader.